I remember that my father worked. He took us to probably, other than Hanukkah, the happiest holidays I remember were Simchas Torah in the synagogue. And my grandfather proudly would we lived 2 blocks away, he'd take my brother, my sister, and myself for Simchat Torah. The ladies auxiliary on the 2nd floor were putting apples on flags, and we were all given flags, and we marched around. Now, I told you this place is 16 feet wide, a bima in the middle, and basically you're making figure 8s, and the old men are clapping, singing. I had no idea what they're singing. It was not Hebrew, it was Yiddish songs at this time. They're drinking and knocking them back. And what do they give the kids? These gummy, rotted apples on flags that were, and it's hard to hold it. We're walking, getting dizzy in figure 8s, and the ladies prepare bowls of nachit. Now, nachit are dried, peppered chickpeas. Nachit is Eastern European, Turkish, and it's little dried handfuls of peppered chickpeas as treats for the kids. This is why we never went back to Shul after our bar mitzvahs. They scared you with the rabbi, the old men, and it really was a different world by the late 50s in that synagogue.